All right, I'm going to talk to you about 5 things that you should do every single time you bench press, and it has to do with your setup. I call it a pre-flight checklist because I'm going to go through these things every time I lay down, every time I'm going to bench press, every time before I even lift it off. The first is I want to make sure that I have the bar rolled all the way out because that's going to help me position my body. Once it's rolled out, I want to make sure I have probably my chin under the bar. There's a little bit of wiggle room there, but I'm going to start there. Next is going to be grip. I'm going to use the landmarks on the bar to make sure that I'm gripping it consistently and evenly. That's 3. I'm going to set my shoulders down and back, get a nice arch in my low back. I'm going to now drive through my legs. That will be 4. And then when I'm ready to lift it, I will push it up, out, then I'm ready to bench press. So those 5 things, right? Roll it out, chin under the bar, consistent grip using the landmarks, tight shoulders, leg press, up, then out, then down.